Today we're going to learn some letter sounds.
Mm.
Mm.
N.
N.
O.
O.
Can you show me?
Mm.
Can you show me? N? Can you show me? O? Can you give me O? Can you give me N? Can you give me M? So today you were able to learn the sounds
N. N. O.
P,
P.
Q,
Q.
R.
R.
Can you show me P? Can you show me Q? Can you show me R? Can you give me R? Can you give me Q? Can you give me P? So today you were able to learn the sounds
P. Q. R.
Now, you are going to answer a worksheet about beginning sounds. Let's do one example. Circle all the pictures that begin with M sound. You may continue until you are done.